Is your HP printer offline and not printing? Don't worry, let's fix it in just 2 minutes. Hi, welcome to Printer Setup Guide Pro, TNS, your quick fix for all printer problems. This happens to many users' tariffs. Your printer shows offline even when it's connected.
First, open Control Panel and go to Devices and Printers.
Now, right-click your HP printer and select See What's Printing. Click on Printer and uncheck Use Printer Offline. That's it. Your printer should now be back online and working perfectly. If it still doesn't work, restart your printer and make sure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network.
If this helped you, like this video and subscribe for more quick fixes. Comment your problem below.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next fix or call 1-844-334-2929.